What is the MITRE ATT&CK framework? MITRE ATT&CK is an abbreviation for MITRE Adversarial Tactics, Techniques, and Common Knowledge. The MITRE ATT&CK framework is a curated repository that includes matrices that provide a model for cyberattack behaviors. The framework is generally presented in tabular form, with columns that represent the tactics used during the life of an attack, and rows that represent of techniques that are utilized to achieve their tactical goals. The framework also documents technique usage and other metadata that is linked to individual techniques. MITRE ATT&CK framework is an outgrowth of a MITRE experiment that emulated both attacker and defender to help understand how attacks happen and improve post-compromise detection using telemetry sensing and behavioral analytics. To better understand how well the industry is doing at detecting documented adversarial behavior, they created the ATT&CK framework as a tool to categorize these behaviors.